Happy anniversary. Today, you're not just celebrating another year, it's your journey filled with love, laughter, and unforgettable moments. Celebrating an anniversary is a beautiful reminder of the love and commitment shared between two people. Happy anniversary. May your love continue to blossom and bring you both endless joy and happiness. You are an inspiring example of what true partnership looks like, and I hope this special day is filled with laughter and cherished memories. Here's to many more years of love and togetherness.